once again, and I'm the Chairman, House Committee on Women Affairs and Social Development in the 10th House of Representatives. Today is not a day for speeches, but a day to clarify, to appeal, to plead, and to ensure that we have the total support of the Labour Party on this cause. We are here specifically today to come to seek your support towards the passage of a bill that will change the landscape of our politics, of our economy, and of course, the progress, the growth and development of this nation. And that is the reserved seat bill for women in the House of Representatives. This bill is a bill that is being sponsored by 3 different members. Of course, I am also a sponsor of the bill, and the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu, is also a sponsor of this bill. What this bill specifically entails is that we are seeking to ensure that we have better women representation in the legislative arm of government, at the federal level and also at the state level. So we are asking that in every state that we have extra seats for the Senate, for a woman senator, apart from the 3 that we have in every state. We know that we have 3 senatorial districts in every state. So we are asking that we have 1 extra one that women across party lines will contest. The ballot paper will read reserved seats for Senate. And then all women that have been nominated by the political parties will contest for that seat. And of course, for the House of Representatives as well, the same pattern. In every party, there will be a woman for the extra seat in every state that will contest for this seat. And we are also saying that we have 3 senatorial districts in every state. We should have 1 woman per senatorial district to go to the House of Assembly. That is 3 per state, extra. If we have, like Lagos State, we have 20 local governments. We have 40 House of Assembly members. So we are going to be having extra seats per each senatorial district to make 43 in the House of Assembly. So this is basically what the bill is speaking to. So today we have come to you, Labour Party. We have gone to PDP, National Working Committee, and I must say that we were very impressed. We were well received. And of course, PDP also has a gender policy of 35% affirmative action in their constitution. But the implementation may not have been very, successful. But then it is there embedded in the constitution. So, and we're very happy with the way we were received by the National Working Committee, and they have promised us that they will ensure that all their members in the House of Representatives vote for this bill, that PDP is a gender-sensitive party. We are supposed to have gone to APC, but the national chairman of APC lost his mother recently, but we have been there to pay a condolence visit to him. So as soon as the burial arrangements are over, we will definitely reach out to the working committee of APC. So now we are here in Labour Party to meet with you, to seek your support.
So without much ado, I want to say that this bill is a very good initiative. We will give our support. If you need us to be in your entourage to join you in this campaign, I want you to be rest assured that we'll be available to do that. The national women leader of our party have taken the campaign within the party down to the wards. I can assure you that the sensitization she has done within the party is so high that you don't need to do much within the party, within Labour Party itself. She had the privilege of convening women leaders at the state level, at the local government level, and even at the world level to brief them about this bill. And I want to assure you that Labour Party is already an advocate at the grassroots level canvassing support for this bill. And therefore, I want to say clearly that we are in solidarity with you. We are in support with you. Our members in the National Assembly, we are going to meet with them privately and appeal to them to support this bill. And I want to assure you that In all other press conferences we are going to have hereafter, we are going to add our voices to it.
Thank you.
And we're going to talk about this. Finally, I want to welcome all of you to our secretariat, and we are looking forward to the passage of this bill. Thank you for this. Well, I think the most important subject matter here now is how we canvass support for this bill. And we've stated it clearly that our structures is already working towards ensuring advocacy for this bill. We will also engage our members who are left, who are still members of the party. We are going to call a meeting of them where we appeal to them to step up advocacy and support this bill. I think that this is a bill that every right-thinking person in the society and in the National Assembly should ordinarily support. You will agree with me that we've had a lot of inhibitions against women. We have cultural biases against women, economic and financial bias against women. And even politically, women are shortchanged. And so it requires a deliberate effort on the part of major stakeholders to ensure that women come on board in our political sphere. And that's why, for me, the bill is worth it, is worth the support of every stakeholder in Nigeria across party line. And that's why we are determined as Labour Party to advocate for this bill and to support the bill. And of course, it tallies with the ideology of the party. You know, our party have been in the vanguard of the agitation for appropriate women representation. And of course, it only tallies with one of the objectives that we have in the party. And so we are happy to support the bill, and we will go all out to support those who are currently advocating for this bill.
Thank you so very much.
Because we know that our members in the House, they are not there out of their own volition. They are not. That is very practicable, and also they are implementing it to the letter because they have state chairmen that are even women. So for this bill, they have promised to speak with the members of Labour Party in the National Assembly for them to support this bill. And they have also offered to even be part of, you know, the advocacy train. So we are very, very impressed. We are very glad. We are very happy that the Labour Party has given their all to support this, you know, bill. And we have also made them to understand what the bill actually entails. And of course, for them to also know that the special seats has nothing to do with the statutory seats that women occupy, because they can contest where they are before, and they can still give us more women to occupy these extra seats. And Labour Party has been gender sensitive from all that we have heard from them. And we hope that they keep it up and also improve, you know, on women inclusion going forward. Thank you very much.
Now, let me,
concerning the seat.
To me, more seats in the National Assembly. And I know where you're going to, that maybe it's going to be costing the government more. It's costing the government more now that we don't have women. When you have women, you are going to be getting translation of dividends of democracy and be more impactful in reaching Nigerians. As it is today, we need our women to be properly empowered so that our children are okay for it. When the children are okay for it, we are going to be curbing crime, corruption, area boys and all these hoodlums all over without proper, you know, parenting and also care. So when women are involved, even nutritional values of the children, it is endless. The list is endless. What can the men do without us? So we need the women to be on the table so that we can get better results. It is costing the country even more when we don't have women representation. The women constitute about half of the population of this country. And a nation that decides to underutilize the potentials of about half of our population, we go nowhere. This is the truth, and it's a global issue. It's not just about Nigeria. Where women are holding forth in different countries, go and do your research. You find out that their economy is better for it, and the, you know, capital income and the GDP result is even better for it.
Okay, and if we have 109 now at the Senate and 360 at the reps, by the time this reserve seat becomes
you are asking for just 72 extra. 72 extra in the House of Rep and in the Senate.
Okay, now for me, are we talking about a review of the senatorial? From these women that we're talking about, under which platform are the senatorial district that they coming? They are asking for an extra.
Yes,
Senate.
in that bill, it is indicated there that the INEC, Independent National Electoral Commission, will be coming up with a framework for nomination and for the election process. And of course, the drafters have also included in that bill that this bill will be reviewed after 16 years circle. If we look at it and we see lapses or the loopholes there, we can amend, we can review, we can make it to be better. And basically what it entails is that the women that we nominate in each state will be contesting from the same district wherever they have picked, wherever INEC has decided, oh, this is the local government we are going to be having the extra seat. Then all political parties will nominate their women from that locality.
Thank you.
Thank you.